Alright, what is up guys, Twisted Gamer here today, and today we are on a creative server that is owned by one of our friends named Spots. He is currently not on right now. On the EnderCraft network, this being set up, and we are making bombs, like chicken bombs, and just random stuff that's funny. So you guys get to watch our stupidity, and it's going to be really funny. Okay, first things
I like how
first.
we're building on a plot that isn't even ours.
Yeah, I know. I don't really care. Come on, chicken, spawn. There we go, now they're spawning. This kid is like killing my vibe over here. Getting in my way. He just jumped in my chickens. Don't do that. No, don't jump in a man's chickens.
The fuck?
I'm just over here spawning them hand by hand, and you're over there just freaking with your fancy redstone current.
Yeah, but mine gets more this way. Don't kill all chickens when you launch yours. Wait for mine to go empty. I'm not recording yet, but I'm going to as soon as I launch all my chickens.
Okay, I'm gonna launch my chickens in 3.
Don't kill all chickens. Wait, actually, kill all chickens as soon as yours drops, okay? When yours drops, kill all chickens, and then I'll put mine in.
Dude, that looks so cool. Ready? Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Kaboom!
Okay, kill all chickens. Okay, I'm gonna start recording. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's going on, YouTube? Key1313 here. Today, we're gonna launch chickens and make a chicken bomb because, like, why the hell not? Super random, but whatever. Chicken bomb time for the
We're
week.
gonna launch chickens and make chicken bombs, so yeah.
I should plot claim this.
This plot? Mine's all fancy. Look at that. You like that?
Left plot.
I'm gonna make mine look all cool. Okay, now I'm gonna spawn chicken. Wait, is yours even spawning?
Yeah. A lot.
Not really. Wait, how are you spawning yours? Oh, wow.
I'm literally gonna wait till it goes, till it's empty. And then
Oh
we're
my god,
gonna
my mom, does my mom seriously have to vacuum? Every time I start to record or something, someone does something in the background, I swear. My
Your mom
in,
starts vacuuming.
Yeah, my mom starts vacuuming as soon as I start to record. Like, why, bruh? Like, that's not cool, man. I'm gonna make this look cool, Leo. No. I gotta give it a name. Oh god.
How are they getting out?
They're not, I spawned those.
Oh. Get in there. You're part of the chicken bomb too. Still launching? Damn. This might be a while. Jeez.
Alright, look at that. The chicken launcher. Okay, I'm gonna like break mine because yours is better than mine. I don't feel like spawning anymore manually either. Okay,
We could literally go work on factions, come back, and then all you see it's in an hour it's finally done.
Oh yeah, right. I
Holy
can't.
shit.
Dude,
You know what? Let's just get PT spawn chicken.
no, because then we'll have to get in there, and that's annoying. Okay, we need to break your blog. The server is lagging.
Just a second. I'm just adding like 1,000 more maybe. Okay, let's
Wait.
delete that. Okay, go.
Wait.
3, 2.
Wait, let me get out. Let me get out. 3, 2, 1. Launch.
What
Holy crap! There was so many, that was a failure. There was so many, that was a failure.
It didn't work like last time. Holy shit.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna do it like... Our best bet is to do it manually.
Okay, yeah.
Because, I mean, we're not really gonna get any... Just stop your redstone current.
Kill all chickens.
Kill all chickens. There we go.
988. Okay, I think that's enough. We spawned a shit ton. I spawned like a lot. Oh, dude, they spawned under there.
I'm just gonna spawn a lot. Alright, this is after we make this bomb, I'm gonna just like end the video because this video is pointless.
I know, right? It's funny though. I like it.
You know what? You're killing my vibe. So you know what? I'm just gonna
3,
2, 1, go. Oh, that looks so cool. It's your design of your cannon thingy-majigger. That's what it is. All right, for one last finale before the video.
Let's try to do the synchronized one. Just kill all chickens, for God's sake.
Wait, actually. Did it work?
Okay. What the? Oh my god.
Yes! For the finale of the video. Now we go in game mode S and have them destroy us.
You spawned 60? Dude, I want to try that synchronized one. Just a sec. Oh my god, all my chickens are gone.
Okay, I'll spawn chickens. You kill all ender dragons and I'll spawn chickens.
That's good, that's good.
No,
3.
it's not. No, it's not.
It's not working.
It's because you're doing it wrong. Watch.
I think there's just too many.
No, there's not. You're doing it wrong. Watch.
Alright then, Hotshot.
Yeah, that's right.
That is so cool. Yep, this is right. This is right.
Alright, let's do this. 3, 2, 1,
2,
synchronized chicken.
Dun dun
Dun,
dun.
dun. Watch him shoot like a tornado on the ground. Kaboom! Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'll see you guys around. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with the next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.